Do you say he play cricket or he plays cricket? Let's make it super easy today for you to understand. Hello everyone, welcome back to Grammar Society where you learn English with confidence. And today our content is going to be present simple tense, which is one of the most important tenses of English. So, what is present simple? Let us talk about Virat. Right now, Virat is relaxing at home. So we're saying that he is not playing cricket. But we also say that he plays cricket for India. Why? Because this is what he does. It is his profession. And this is what he does regularly. This is exactly where we have to use the present simple tense. So we use the present simple tense to talk about actions and verbs that happen all the time, repeatedly, or on a daily basis. Also, we use it to talk about things or facts in general. Right? I hope you understood the point. Now look at the structure of present simple tense. We have to apply the subject and the base form of the verb, also called the V1. Let us make it very clear through a diagram. Look at the examples. So for the first and the second and third person plural, we have to apply the V1 form without S or ES. And only for the third person singular, something like he, she, it, or someone's name, any singular person, we have to apply the S or ES form of the verb. Now let's look at some of the examples. As I talked about before, that it talks also about the profession, something like doctors take care of patient. Now the second example is that the earth goes round the sun. What is this? It's a scientific fact that is in general. We can also say the restaurant opens at 6 in the evening. Why? Because it is what they do regularly, and the restaurant, the word restaurant, is a third person singular, and as I told you, for third person singular add S or ES to the verb. And many of you do the same mistake with this S or ES. You don't add this, but keep in mind in the present simple tense, this is the most important part, that you have to add extra SES to the verb if the subject is third person singular. Now we'll talk about how to form negative sentences and interrogative or question sentence in the present simple tense. It is very important to understand that to make the negative and questions in present simple tense, we have to add do or does. Now when to add do? Once again, very simple rule. For first, second and third person plural, add do. And for the third person singular only, add does to make, once again I am repeating, negative and question sentences. And there is one more point to remember, that once you add do or does to form either question or negative, make sure that you add the base form of the verb or the V1 form of the verb. Never add S or ES once you attach do or does. We also use the present simple tense to talk about our daily routines and how often things happen. Let us look at the examples. Virat gets up early every morning. It is his daily habit. He trains 6 days a week. How often do you play sports? They don't train on Sundays. So now let us have a quick recap of what we have learned so far. The present simple tense is applied to talk about facts, daily routines, truth, and something that happens repeatedly. If the subject is third person singular, something like he, she, or it, or someone's name, don't forget to add extra S or ES to the verb. Use do or does for questions and negative sentences. And also use the present simple tense to talk about how often things happen. I hope that you have got a good idea of the present simple tense. Now comment below 3 sentences of present simple tense to talk about fact, to talk about daily things that you do or someone does, and 1 or 2 negative and question sentences to see whether you have understood or not. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned something new from this video. And keep practicing, keep learning, and keep supporting us. And don't forget that he plays, not he play. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.